In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a comic strip with Midjourney. We'll build a fun 3-panel comic, generate each panel in a consistent style using Midjourney, then arrange everything neatly in Canva. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney, then click the official Midjourney website in the results. If you're new, you may be asked to sign in before you can generate images. Once you're in, go to the Imagine page where you can write and submit prompts. For the first panel, paste a clear, descriptive prompt so Midjourney understands both the art style and the comic text you want on the image. Here's a great example you can use. Comic strip panel. Quirky scientist in a chaotic lab, shocked as his sandwich is pulled into a glowing blue time portal on his desk. Add comic text. Scientist. Not again. My lunch is time slipping. Portal. Whoosh. Lab alarms. Beep, beep. Expressive comic line art. Bold colors. Dynamic motion lines. Humorous tone. Clean panel layout. Speech bubbles clearly visible. Submit the prompt and wait for the results to render. Pick the version you like best. Next, click the image you chose and use the style option to copy its look. This is key to keeping the same character design, line work, and colors across all panels. With that style selected, create the second panel by prompting comic strip panel. Same scientist stumbling out of a time portal into a medieval castle courtyard. Confused knights staring at him while the sandwich floats glowing in midair. Add comic text. Scientist. Give me back my sandwich. Knight. Wizard. He summons floating bread. Sandwich. Tiny text. Help. Same art style, consistent character design, bright comic colors, motion lines, humorous expressions. Submit again and review the output, making sure the character feels consistent with panel 1. Repeat the style step for panel 3 to lock in coherence. Then prompt. Comic strip panel. The sandwich sits on a medieval throne wearing a tiny crown as knights bow. Scientist kneels trying to negotiate. Add comic text. Scientist, please, you're just a sandwich. Sandwich. I am your king now. Knight. Long live King Sandwich. Bold comic line art, expressive faces, consistent style with previous panels, bright colors, clear speech bubbles. Submit and choose your favorite. Download the 3 finished images and name them clearly so you can keep them in order. Now head to Canva and open a comic or simple grid template. Upload your images, drag them into place, and align them evenly with consistent spacing or gutters between panels. Adjust sizing so the speech bubbles are readable. If needed, tweak contrast or add simple captions or a title for clarity. When everything looks balanced and the story reads smoothly from left to right, you're done. You've just made a comic strip with Midjourney and polished it in Canva.